So to make this one pan balsamic chicken and veggies, you're gonna need some chicken. I'm using some chicken thighs and chicken drums. I went ahead and removed the skin. You're also gonna need some chicken broth, some soy sauce. I'm using coconut aminos instead. You're gonna need some balsamic vinegar and brown sugar, some minced garlic. Now for my veggies, I'm using some green beans, carrots, and baby red potatoes, and then some onion. I love me some onion. Now here in my bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken and some olive oil and then a bunch of seasonings. I will leave in the description box the seasonings I use, but just season your chicken really well with your favorite seasonings. Now here in my hot skillet, I'm going to go ahead and add some olive oil, and I'm going to sear off my chicken on each side for about 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes on each side. You just want to get a nice sear and some color on that chicken. Beautiful. So now I'm going to go ahead and start on the sauce. I'm going to start off by sauteing my onions a bit just to get them nice and soft. I did cut them pretty big, but I like onion. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my garlic and let this cook for a few more seconds. And then I mixed that balsamic vinegar, the soy sauce, brown sugar. I mixed all that together with the chicken broth, and I'm going to add that to the skillet. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in about a tablespoon of honey, and then we're going to bring this up to a simmer. You want to make sure you mix it well. You want to make sure you get up all those bits and pieces on the bottom of the pan because that's flavor. Now this is a 1 skillet meal, but my skillet was too small to fit everything, and I didn't have a big enough skillet that could go in the oven, so I had to transfer it to a baking dish. So if you're doing, if your skillet's big enough, you can just add in your chicken and veggies and then pop it in the oven. But I had to transfer it to a baking dish, and I'm just gonna pour everything over it. So you're just gonna bake this for about an hour to an hour and 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on how thick you cut your potatoes. I should have cut mine in half, and it would have cut the time down some, but for about an hour and 15 minutes. For the balsamic glaze, I removed everything and I went ahead and added a little bit of cornstarch slurry to the juice in the pan, and it thickened it up, and I ended up with a delicious balsamic glaze, and it is super delicious. Yum.